over here because it's turned to, well, hot glue just kind of pulls away. So all of this needs to be redone, as well as my slippers fashion. This section along here, and I'm just going to do it along the floor there as well, or along the corner seam, or whatever that's called. Up and behind that, over there, should be nice. Let's get started, shall we? The product we're using is just going to be some Bostik Cable glue adhesive. Dries fairly quick, gets tacky in about a minute, so we've got about a minute to play with it. And we'll see how it works out. Alrighty, when I get to about here, I will bring the camera forward, otherwise it's just going to be time lapse. Glue. Yeah. That's still a bit stuck there, which is good. It's a bit blocked, which means when it does pop, it's going to go freaking everywhere. So it takes a little bit longer to adhere, which is unfortunate. Very thick. Does not take long. Yeah. That's very tight there. Let's just go. Overall, not super pleased, but we'll see. Hopefully it has stronger holding power when it sets. Currently, look at there, it's already pulling away. I don't really feel like holding it for like 3 to 5 minutes. Pulling away here as well, and here. And to do this in small stretches would suck. So. Let's do some POV. Obviously you can see it's pulling away there. It's up here. It's pulling away. pretty poor, if you ask me. Essentially what I'm doing is collapsing it over there. See if we can get a bit of a close up here. It's not very much in focus, is it? Has it put out anything? Not very. It's a very weird, very thick gelatinous goop. And we just hold him down a little bit, like so. Yeah, so not super happy with the product, but we're about there. Don't know if you can see. I'm just going to do a time lapse for the rest of it, and then I will record again in the other room, and then just do another time lapse, and then give it about an hour, and then we'll see how it's faring. Lekker. My phone's about to die, but this is how it turned out thus far. A little bit messy, obviously the paint ripped off certain areas from the previous job. But overall, decent. We'll see how the glue sets. My phone's about to die, so you can go put it on charge, probably cook dinner, then I'll do the other wall. And then we will review after, probably just before bed. Lekker. Right, so finish this one. Pretty clear. A little bit cracked towards the end because I have made this not have enough slack. It has enough slack to go there, but then it has to go underneath the desk. So that is what it is. And obviously it goes underneath here to the switch, which I need to clean up all this stuff another time. And then go around Ethernet cable to the PC. Yeah, would have made, didn't make a video on the lovely desk, but it would have been cool to make a video on the desk. Rookie error. Well, I'll show you the side that's cured because we had dinner. Lovely. Nice and clean. This side's much better. Much better. Alright. Wouldn't use this product ever again. Bostik Cable glue. Wouldn't use it again. Pretty crap. What, you want to be seen?
Oh, I don't want to be seen.
She's been seen in PJs. Don't know what she's watching. It sounds terrible.
Maybe this is wrapped by the shrimp from the movie.
No.
That movie.
Alright. That's that. Okay, bye. I forgot. That's not how you end a YouTube video. Okay, bye.